Also, for the next video, we'll be installing a third brake light. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, what is up everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I just wanted to make a quick short video of introducing my daughter to the channel. I will go inside right now and show you guys her real quick. She won't be on camera too much in this video, but it's just to introduce you guys to her, and I want to make a video solely just for her to introduce you guys. Yeah, let's go see her. Here she is, guys. This is my daughter. Everybody welcome her to the channel. New to the crew. I can't express how amazing it feels to be a dad. It's freaking awesome, guys. Shout out to all the fathers and mothers out there. Yep. So this is probably one of the, if not the best thing that has ever happened to me. For all you guys that are fathers out there, mothers, you guys know exactly what feeling I'm talking about. And for you, those of you that don't have any kids, or maybe you have nieces or nephews, or a friend that had a baby, it's like it's instant love. Like, it's just a great feeling, and then for you to be the parent is different, and it's an amazing feeling. It's cool. Like, you're a dad. Like, I'm a dad. Like, it's a badass feeling, and I can't be more happy. So far, it's been a week. It's been amazing, guys. I just want to express that to you guys. We are gonna be doing some more stuff to the Silverado to make it more family. All we need is 3 seats, and that's all we have. But I do want to get like a bed cover or something, so we could be able to put the stroller back there, like if we go to Disney or we go do something, or and maybe some more gadgets inside the truck. I know we have space back here. We have pretty good leg room right there, so diaper bag will fit. And pretty much to make this a 3-seater, you just lift the shit up, and car seat will fit perfectly in there. But like I said, get more gadgets. Probably like, I don't know, hang something right there to put like some stuff, like stuff she may need. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna make everything work out pretty good with this truck. Make it a little family single cab. I mean, we also have this Elantra that I got my girl about 6 months ago. So far it's a great car, good space and everything, so I'm not worried about that car. But I do want to take the truck out with my little family, since summer is coming, and this truck is freaking amazing in summer because it's tinted and it's just amazing. That, but yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing some stuff to the truck right here to make it more of a family single cab. If there's any of you that have a single cab and you have like a little family, little 3-person family, stay tuned, because maybe some stuff that I find out that we do to the truck that's makes the truck a little bit more practical for a family. Maybe you've never seen it, so it'll help you out as well. So stay tuned. And that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, guys. At the beginning of the video, I showed you guys a third brake light that I'm gonna be installing on the Denali, so I'll be doing that for the next video. Stay tuned for that. like I said, I just want to make this quick video to introduce you guys to my daughter, and I want to make her own video, and this is her video. I'm just happy. It's like one of the best feelings ever. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Also at the beginning of the video I showed you guys the new merch. Go check out that new shirt. It has front ends from an 03 Lightning all the way to a 2006 SRT10. Go check them out. If you have any of those vehicles, buy a shirt, rock it, and help me buy formula and diapers and wipes. So I'm gonna need you guys, so go click on that link down in the description, buy some merch. I'll send it to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Chubbs. Peace out everybody. TCB, big old crew. Oh, and I also bought a new water hose, so it'll help out washing the trucks a little bit easier, and maybe even get a foam can later on. So see you guys later.